If you want to embed a video in a Mailchimp email, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to add a video to your campaign so your email looks more engaging and your audience has a clear place to click and watch. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it helps to follow along step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Mailchimp tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Campaigns section and click on it. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, and it's the starting point for editing the email where you want to add your video. Next, find the email campaign you want to update. Once you've located it, click Edit next to that email. This opens the campaign so you can make changes before sending it out to your subscribers. After that, you'll see the option to edit design, so go ahead and click that. This takes you into the email builder, where you can customize the content and add new elements. Now that you're in the design editor, look for the video block. Mailchimp makes this part very easy because you don't need to manually create a complicated embed code for most cases. Instead, you can simply drag and drop the video block into your email layout. Place it exactly where you want the video to appear, whether that's near the top to grab attention or further down after a short message or product description. Once the video block is in place, click on Add URL. This is where you connect the video you want people to watch. Paste the video link into the field provided. Make sure the URL is correct and points to the right video, because this is the link your subscribers will use when they click the video area in the email. After pasting the URL, take a moment to double-check everything. Make sure the link is complete, the placement looks good, and the email still reads clearly around the video block. When everything looks right, click Save to store your changes. At this point, your Mailchimp email is ready with the video link added, and you can continue with any other edits or move on to sending or scheduling your campaign. A quick tip before you finish. If you want better engagement, pair the video with a strong call to action right above or below it, like watch now, learn more, or click to view the full video. That gives your readers a reason to interact right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to embed a video in a Mailchimp email using the built-in video block and a video URL. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and a great way to make your emails more interactive. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.